up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. All right guys, today's video is going to be super quick. I have two super cute pair of sunglasses from Amazon. I will leave the links to my Amazon store and links to the sunglasses in the description box below. Both pair are currently $14.99. Let's get into it. I love a classic black sun. Gives me Anna Wintour, honey, sitting beside somebody at the latest couture fashion show. It gives me glamour. It gives me everything for $14.99, girl. It comes with this really cool case, and ironically, I have a review of this on Amazon also, just like a written review, and ironically, the case that it came in, the box it came in had Tory Burch on the box. I don't know, girl, but it doesn't say anything about Tory Burch on the sunglasses, but maybe there is a Tory Burch sunglass pair that looks similar to this. I don't know, but these are only $14.99. I love this box, and I don't know if, and it's by the brand Style, but with two L's. I don't think you guys can see that, but it says Style in there, and it comes with a sunglasses cleaner. This is perfect because I don't know if you guys are like me, but I am constantly just throwing my sunglasses in my purse, and they always get scratched up. This very cute case. Super hard. I can just toss it down in my purse. Great for the pool. Everything, girl. Love these. Style, again, $14.99. And last but not least are these super cute aviators. They remind me of a higher end brand, and I cannot think of the brand name right now. I will leave it on the screen below. It's only, again, $14.99 from the brand Sojos. I don't know, girl, but this is the brand. Absolutely love these. I love aviator, and I love this rose gold color. It looks very, I don't know, high end to me. And I also love a sunglass set where you can barely see my eyes. Oh, I forgot to mention the black ones. The black sunglasses are a gradient effect, so I got the black with gradient, and these are the rose gold color. So far so good. The quality of these, both pairs are awesome. Yeah, I really can't rave enough about both pair, and this one came with a softer case, but again, I'm going to try really hard to just keep them in the case so I don't have to buy any more sunglasses every year, you know? Anyways, that's it, guys. Leave a comment below and let me know one thing that you are looking to purchase this spring, summer, like one item, or just something you're looking forward to doing, hopefully this summer. Oh guys, and I need your help getting to 5,000 subscribers, so please tell all your family and friends, share the video, don't forget to subscribe yourself. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.